Tried to sketch the metallic cup that was still sitting there from the watercolor try, which was just the other day. That's the watercolor. So anyway, started with a 4H pencil and sort of shaded in, I don't know, the light areas, and then I had a HB and a 3B that I was putting in darks with, and by erasing and shading, I tried to establish the shape and try not to do too many actual lines. Anyway, there I am drawing some lines, haha. Anyway, then it was not really coming out smoothly and beautifully, but you know, it was taking shape and form. Anyway, one big challenge was, does the inside of the picture look like the inside, like, you know, negative space and all of that? And I spent a lot of time trying to mess around and try different things so the inside looked like the inside. The outside looks kind of like the outside, I would say, and even has a little bit of a 3D look. But anyway, I never really figured out if the inside looks like the inside. And then here's a couple of different views from near and far and showing the reference. And it was a lot of fun trying. And I guess the result was half decent. Oh, there's the distance shot and the other close-up. Art fun.